Hello, sixth graders. Today we're going to learn how to use the rules for multiplying and dividing integers. When you multiply a positive and a positive, the product is positive.
When you divide a positive and a positive, the quotient will be positive.
When you multiply a negative with a negative, the product is positive.
When you divide two negatives, the quotient is positive.
When you multiply a negative and a positive, the product is negative.
When you divide a negative number by a positive, the quotient is negative.
When you multiply a positive and a negative, the product is negative.
When you divide a positive and a negative, the quotient is negative.
An easy way to remember this is that when you multiply or divide two numbers with the same signs, the answer is positive. So remember, same signs, the answer is positive.
When you multiply or divide two numbers with different signs, the answer will be negative. So different signs result in a negative answer.
For example, 2 times 5, that's a positive times a positive. The answer will be a positive 10.
For example, negative 15 times negative 5. The same signs are shared, so the answer is positive 75.
When you multiply a negative factor times a positive factor, those are different signs, so the product will be a negative answer, which is negative 10.
When you're multiplying a positive number by a negative number, the product will be negative because you have a positive times a negative. Positive 5 times negative 7 is negative 35.
When you divide positive 25 and negative 5, the signs are different, so the quotient is negative 5.
When you divide two numbers that both have the same sign, these numbers are both positive, 25 divided by 2, the quotient will also be positive, 12.5.
When you divide a negative by a positive, two different signs, one is a negative, one is a positive, the quotient will be negative. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4.
When you divide two negatives, like negative 5 and negative 5, the quotient is positive 1.
Try these on a piece of paper and bring it to school.